Greetings, viewers. Welcome to Bongo's School of Bushing Yeetage. Today, as the title suggests, I will be showing you how to remove your bushings. So, for those of you who don't know, this right here is a bushing. So, a bushing is usually a piece of rubber, sometimes polyurethane, like these, so what I'm replacing them with, that go in the vehicle's suspension components, and they basically just connect different parts of suspension. So yeah, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove it. Also, you may be asking yourself, this looks brand new. Why are you replacing these bushings? The reason is because there's a bunch of different complications involved in my suspension, and I had to replace this hub carrier. And I decided to, I was doing a polyurethane replacement anyways, so I just decided to put the take the rubber ones out and then put in the polyurethane bushings like I'm going to do on the other side, so that I'll have balance and I won't have rubber and polyurethane mixed on the different sides, which could be bad. Alright, so let's just go over the tools you're going to need. First of all, you're going to need a torch of some sort, a lighting device, propane, time to start the flame, propane, time to start the game. You will need a hacksaw and some blades. And then you're going to need a little punch to get out the inner metal structure there. And finally, a hammer to bash it with for percussive maintenance purposes. Alright, I'm going to get ahead with telling you what to do. Be sure when you're doing something like this, always wear your personal protective equipment, or PPE, or like you could just get fucked if you don't have that, so it's always a good thing to have. Alright, what you want to start off with is probably best to have it in a vise like I have here, and you want to power up your propane torch, and you want to heat this little metal ring around here, and you want to heat it up until you can use a pair of vice grips. Sorry, I should have told you guys that you need vice grips, or maybe, yeah, even pliers will just do. I just like that you can lock these. So yeah, you just want to heat it up, and then you should be able to pull it out once you have enough heat. So now that that's out of the way, I'll get started, and yeah. Alright, so I'm just taking it off right now, and there we go. Oh, fuck. Alright, once you've stopped the fire and put the bushing pass-through outside because it's fucking hot, then you can get started with phase 2. Oh, and aired out your garage as well. What you're going to want to do is take this hacksaw blade, put it through here, and then you're going to attach your hacksaw on it, and then saw through the rubber, and then through the metal piece right here. But be careful not to hit the edge around here too much, because we want to keep that intact. Alright, so something I should have clarified, you're going to want to make 2 holes, because this is the only way to get the metal ring around it out. So you're going to want to make 1 hole about here, and then 1 hole maybe like beside it a little bit, and then you're gonna hit it with this bitch. Alright, so once you got two sides done, and you take your punch and you hit the edge of the ring there, press the 2 pieces that you cut, that part of the ring, out, and then the rest will be done soon. Come out. Usually you have to cut this area completely, but it's only partway done. So yeah, it'll just probably come right out here. Alright, so it's out. And then you can install your new bushings. So that was a quick tutorial on how to remove bushings. I think that's all. And please like and subscribe. See you guys.